nimble, Jack, be quick. Jack jumped over the candlestick. Na 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 na. Threw him out the window.
The window. It threw him out the window. 'Cause he burned his booty.
Oh, and I heave it
Yeah, we threw him out the window.
Mary had a little lamb. Thanks, kids.
Yeah, can't be good for the lamb.
This is one of my favorites. Poor Scotsman.
It goes.
Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, she threw it out the window. The window, the window.
It
Threw it out the window. The yo-ho-ho and a heave-it-ho. Threw it out the window. We would like to thank the minstrels of Mayhem, of whom we learned this song.
We love those guys.
All right, let's see. We'll do a sentimental one to bring it all down.
Bring it all down. It goes.
Now I lay me down to sleep. I pray the Lord my soul to keep. And if I die before I leave,
Please throw her out the window.
the window, the window.
Please
Throw it out the window. The yo-ho-ho and a heave-it-ho.
Please
Throw her out the window.
One more time. The window. The window. Just throw me out the window. The
Yo-ho-ho and a heave-it-ho.
and throw me out the
window. Children's songs will never be the same again.
Thanks, Bonnie Lass.
Now, before we get